The old phrase, they just don't make them like they used to, applies to a lot of things in our industry, but when it comes to fuel injectors, it takes on a whole different meaning. Today's high pressure common rail injector systems are running much higher pressures than older injectors, sometimes up to 40,000 PSI. While this makes the engine run clean and more efficiently, it also makes them highly vulnerable to the microscopic contaminants in your fuel. I'm Gabriel Blevins, training manager at Donaldson Academy, and we're going to talk about the impact of fuel on modern injectors in this edition of Filtered from Donaldson. I'm at Interstate Power Systems in Lakeville, Minnesota, where I'm joined by Josh Albrecht, one of the company's technical trainers. Josh has been in the industry for 10 years, so he has had a front row seat to the changes in engine design over the years.
Absolutely. Engines have come a long way, and there's no sign the industry is slowing down. Some of the changes are designed to enhance fuel efficiency and drive performance. Others are designed to help meet stricter global emissions regulations.
OEMs have redesigned injectors to operate under extremely high pressures to meet emissions and fuel economy regulations.
And that was to make the combustion process more efficient. The higher pressures and tighter clearances inside the fuel injectors make them more efficient, but it also made them very vulnerable to particles and other contaminants.
Most mechanics would be amazed to know that the wear in these injectors is caused by particles in between the size of bacteria and red blood cells. These tiny particles start scoring the internal surfaces of the injectors, and the microscopic channels that they leave behind, they allow fuel to bypass.
And when too much fuel is delivered due to the bypass, the combustion process is compromised. The performance suffers. Injector replacements can run into the thousands, and the downtime is tough to stomach. The good news is you can fight back.
Yeah, that's right. Using a high efficiency particulate filter and a high efficiency water separator can help keep your fuel clean and dry. If you buy fuel in bulk, it also helps to filter your fuel at the bulk tank.
That's great advice. Give the filters on your engine the chance to do their job, cleaning the fuel and protecting the injectors.
Yeah, thanks for the insight, Josh. A little prevention or protection goes a long way when you consider the cost of engine failures. Thanks for watching this episode of Filtered, where we explore filter-related topics and best practices. Ready to learn more? Follow the links below or sign up to become a Donaldson Insider.